Alright, so as promised, what I told you I'd do today is let Haven pick my makeup. Specifically, I let her pick my eyeshadow, my cheek, and my lipstick. And what I did was I just wrapped up makeup like you saw, put it in foil. There was a treat inside of each of the little foil packages. And whatever containers she went ahead and played with, in order the most, I would go ahead and picked up. And so, as you saw, she picked the bronzer for the eyes. Easy, thanks Haven. She picked the Natasha Denona Lila palette for cheeks, bit of a stretch. And then she picked the Urban Decay eyeshadow for lips. So here's what I did. I combined or scraped out, I'm not sure if you can see it, sure you can, the Natasha Denona colors, the purple, the red, and the brown, and mixed them into this little foil. And then on the right, what you see is I took a little bit of Burt's Bees, because otherwise how am I going to get eyeshadow on my lips? And I mixed it with the Urban Decay, and you can see that color right there. So what I'm going to do right now is put everything on my face. So here goes. Not sure if you actually want to see this, but you get to. So if you're wondering, why in God's name would you let your dog pick your makeup? I mean, why not? If you can. It sounds like a good time. And it should be fun. I'm pretty sure that I will end up with a normal everyday makeup look. She didn't pick anything too crazy, nothing too hard to control. So that'll be good. And we are rushing, because I am gonna go meet people out. We'll see if they notice. My bet is they don't. Also, if you're like, you're putting your eyeshadow everywhere. I know, I said I'm rushing. All right, let's see. Mix this puppy up with a little brush. Ooh, this is gonna go bad. I can already tell. Uh-oh. Light hand. Light hand. Let's use this. We can cheat. Yeah, I noticed yesterday in the video you got a good time seeing my right hand for the majority of the video. Oh shit, it looks like someone beat me. Sorry for cursing. Yeah, it's just... Thanks, Haven. I don't appreciate you at this point. All right. Let's see with the glasses so we can actually see. Oh, it's not. I mean, it's not pretty. It's not attractive. But it's not as bad as it could be. Let's put a little, little something on the top. Now I look uneven. Also hilarious. Really? Trying to even out the bruising? That's weird. Oh, I mean, you know, you gotta be even. Gotta look not a freak. Ish. Alright, I am cheating on the lip product. I'm gonna line my lips. Because if you look closely at my lips, you'll notice there's no color. I do not have color in my lips at all. Alright, let's mix this together. My concoction. Oh, that's weird. Disco. Oh, that's a good time. Now, you might be like, hey, you could have just put a little bit on the middle of your lip. That would have been fine. No, that's cheating, people. That's not Haven creating my makeup. That would be me cheating. That's right. I have nothing to say. If you're wondering why I made that face with my eye, I stabbed myself. The beauty with glasses is that I can get mascara on my eye. You're not gonna look. Or actually, you're not gonna notice unless you're staring at me. And then I'm probably actually gonna tell you something. Or stare at you back, like, what's your problem? Why are you in my face? Notice that little bit of glitter? Let's just add to the look. Oh, highlight. That's right. I'm non-existent highlighting my cheeks right now. Oh, that's, wow. That's not non-existent. Maybe a poor choice. Oh well, we used it, we said we would. Alright, well, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.